Hi lovelies, you're all welcome to Delicious Kitchen. My name is Zolu Lovelies. I brought you the simple delicious aubergine omelette. This is super delicious. You don't need any flour to make this. This is super delicious and super healthy. It's very simple. Don't let me talk much. I'm going to show you how you're going to prepare this. It is perfect for your breakfast, for your lunch, even for dinner. Yes, let's keep it healthy these days and you will love this. Let's get it started. Let's start with the preparation of those vegetables we'll be using. I'm starting with the onions I'm using. I'm just going to dice this. You don't need to dice it to small pieces. You can see I cut it into two and I just slice it like this. So I'm keeping it aside. And I'll be using paprika, just half of it, okay? It has to be well cleaned, of course. And after that, I'm just going to make sure that I cut it into the thin slice like this, yeah, and I packed it together and I diced it. Yes, that is what I'm doing, and this is the end result of the paprika. It's also ready. That is the aubergine. Yes, this is aubergine. It's already well washed. I'll be using this one that I have here. All I need to do about this is just to slice it to thin slice like this. If you want, you can cut it a little bit thicker than this. That is the aubergine. It is also ready, and what I have here is just basil. This is optional. If you have this at home, use it. It's just going to flavor it. You're going to love the flavor. If you don't have, no problem. It's an optional, like I've said, and that is just it. I'm going to keep them aside. Now get your pot. I'll be using olive oil. I'm keeping this healthy, like I've said, just a bit of it. Spread it around in the pot, heat it up a little bit, and now arrange your aubergine. And on top of this aubergine, I'm just going to sprinkle some salt on it. And in another bowl, I have my egg already. I'm going to whisk this until they become creamy and smooth like this. Into this, I'm going to add my basil. The basil I diced at the beginning. It's now time to flip the aubergine over. Flip it over. So after that, it's time to introduce the mixed egg and basil into this. I'll be adding those vegetables, the diced paprika, and of course my onions. On top of this, I'm just going to use this fork to press them well so that they will enter into the mixture of those eggs very well. I added some chili, black pepper, and some salt. Yes, some salt more. And after that, I added this egg mixture seasoning. That's how I bought it. If you don't have this, just a bit seasoning like Maggi is okay. Now cover it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Shake your pot to the right or left. When there is no liquid anymore in it, then it is ready. Get your plates. Now serve this. This is super. Let me show you how the down look. That is the down of it. Can you see the aubergine? This is super delicious. It is healthy. It is flour free, and you will love this super filling, amazing recipe. It is super delicious. Look at how it looks. The taste is a must try for everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye bye.